everybody, this is Julie of Yoga and Pilates by Julie. I'm going to show, I think, one of the most challenging exercises in the Pilates method repertoire called the control balance. Now, in order to do so, I would say you'd have to have mastered the boomerang, also on my channel, which you can take a look at. You do need to have the back strength in order to not collapse into head, neck, cervical, spine. So you have to be able to hold the weight of your legs up. I'd say you'd have to have mastered jackknife because you need that feeling of standing up into the ceiling. Some of this can be felt on the reformer when we use the maple pole, changing short spine by using that pole to stand up into. That's kind of a good way to get the grasp, but I will show it today. Be cautious of putting weight into the cervical spine, okay? So, also requires a lot of hamstring length, but you'll see in a moment. Okay, so kind of like jackknife, legs are coming up and over, and now I'm gonna reach my arms back overhead, grabbing the right ankle, and now I'm gonna press that right ball of the foot into the mat behind me and stand on the ceiling, kind of like jackknife, and not collapsing into my head and neck. I'm gonna use my back a little bit to stand with that opposing leg. And now here's the control balance part. We switch legs. So it kind of feels like you're gonna fall through thin air, but you're not gonna because we have all that control, right? And then grab the ankle, ball the foot presses, opposing leg reaches. And then control and balance. Switch and press and reach. I can breathe. Can you? And then we switch. Other ball the foot presses, we stand. And now both arms come behind us, and then let's jackknife, toes over the eyebrows, and then we don't lose the toes, we articulate. Articulate, when I say don't lose the toes, that means they don't go back overhead. And that is a wrap, knees into the chest. Maybe a little side to side spinal rock. And let's come on up. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, click the like button and please leave me comments, subscribe to my channel below. Have a good day.